While in college, a puppy Carly did find. She dressed Javi in odd outfits, but he didn't mind. Morgan was key in how Tyler and Carly met, but Javi had to approve before all was set. Then the couple bought a place of their own, happily close by in the same time zone. Now we are here for celebration and fun. We hope you enjoy till the party is done. So now my silly rhyme must come to an end. Best wishes and good fortune to the couple we send.
It is with great honor and pleasure that by the power vested in me by the state of New York, I now proudly pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss me now.
Is the second son that I never had. And he is perfect for Carly. I couldn't have imagined a better match, or a better dog dad, or a better quarantine son-in-law. So let's have a toast to the couple. Cheers!